ng tiyang ito, yung may kalbuo. Ng tiyang. Ito, titing ng tiyang.
Hello guys! So, nandito kami sa bahay nila An-An, Isay Kamuncheng. Kain tayo ng dinuguan. Luto ni An-An. Ayan. So, tapos may pa, ano pala, melon juice pa siya. Ha? Where? Bakit? Okay lang yan, anak. Oh, di ba? Magsuswimming daw siya. Naka-swimsuit na siya, oh. And ready na siya. May floaters pa siya, oh. Yung kanyang, ang kanyang swimsuit. May pasalbabida pa. Akala mo naman ang lalim nung kanyang lalanguyan. Hindi ka na yan malulunod, Mary. Halika na nga, kain na, Kam.
I will feed Mary.
Taas mo ka. Wala shake na muna, Mary, kasi meron pang yung buo pa. Shake na.
Yung dugo nila dito, may asin na.
Huh?
Parang maalas.
Naghahabol na rin.
Mary, come get me!
Nga, mag-float ka nga.
Sa swimming pool na lang siya mag-ganyan.
Like a bathtub and he's in the bum.
Lift the head, Di ba waterproof?
Hello guys! Hello guys! So, nandito kami ngayon sa kalsada. Papunta kami ng tindahan. At gusto daw uminom ni An-An ng Coke. Ayan. So, bili tayo ng soft drinks. Pepsi daw. Pepsi. Ayan guys. So, malapit lang daw. Yan ang nanghahabol.
Ang liit. Kalawang laki.
Pero naman pag maliliit na
Tapos yung may-ari.
tatawanan ka lang.
Inaano niya lang, di niya kunin.
Ba't na-try mo na nahabulin ka?
Oo, daw kukunin ko pa yung gamit doon sa kabilang bahay.
Ay, tingnan mo ang cute ng panlinis nila ng bintana.
Ay, matinis.
May tindahan talaga.
May ice pa tayo doon.
Doon. Today.
Ay, meron pala sila dito doon.
Ano yan?
Ang ginahan.
Bakit wala ka na?
Pero sa kulang ko yun. Umalis na siya sa
Ang ganda sa cinema. Pero ang itim ng mukha ko.
Yan ang real.
The next day.
Hello guys! So welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today's video, ayan, gagala tayo guys kasi ngayon yung unang araw ng Lao New Year. And tignan natin kung madaming tao ang magbabasaan sa daan. So nandito na si Mary. Mary, are you ready? Ayan na, nabasa na yung cellphone. Binasa na ako. Binasa na ako ni Mary. Si Tita Ann! Si Tita Ann! Ang bilis. Andito na din si An-An. So, tara guys. Doon ka kay Papa. Ilagay mo yung belt mo, Mabigat yan ha? Andyan, Ay, doon yata sa loob. Wait lang. Paalis na kami. Ito sila Muncheng. Ayan na. Mary sa harap. Si Papa nagdadrive. Ito kami dito sa may Mekong. Ayan, Mary, oh. Splash pa sila, oh, anak. Go. Go. May humarang kay An-An. An-An. Kitaan. Kitaan ba? Kitaan. Ngar. Very cold.
Very cold na? Ha?
Oh, ginaw! So
Rest
cold.
muna eh.
So cold.
Rest.
Nilalamig na si Mel. Hello guys! So today is the first day of Lao New Year. So ang ginawa namin ngayon is naglibot-libot kami sa daan. And then nakipagbasaan kami, nagmotor lang kami kasama namin si Mary. Ginaw na ginaw ka kanina po?
Oo, kasi ang lamig. Ayaw ko anymore.
Eh, ba't gustong-gusto mo makipaglaro ng tubig sa kanila?
But
Tapos may water gun ka pa nga nakasama.
with them, but I wanna swim in my swimming pool. It's not lamig there.
Alright, and then after that, pagkatapos namin naglibot, umuwi na kami, kasama namin si An-An. Tapos ang ginawa na lang namin, kumuha kami ng palanggana, yung batsa, kumuha kami ng batsa, tapos nilagay namin doon sa labas ng gate. Tapos kami naman ang nang babasa. Ayan, so super nag-enjoy si An-An tsaka si Mary doon sa basaan namin. Wala akong video nun kasi hiniram ni Jumar yung cellphone ko nung time na yon. And yeah, sobrang saya. Tapos actually lahat kami lumabas, sila Munching tsaka si Isa tsaka si Rere, nagsasakyan sila kaso na traffic sila doon sa night market doon sa sa Mekong ba? Mekong part. And yon, so nauna na kami naka-uwi. Nung napauwi na sila, sasabuyan ko sana sila ng tubig kaso nasira yung tabo. Buti na lang sila yung naka-experience na. Kung hindi, hala baka nahagisan ko ng tabo yung mga dumadaan ba. Buti na lang sila yung nasakto na dumaan nung time na yon. Pero dumaan sila dito sa bahay, sabay-sabay kami nag-dinner. And yun, after ng dinner, umuwi na rin sila kasi naantok na rin si Rere. Yun yung aming araw for today. And that's it, guys. Mary still have energy to play, as you can see. Tingnan mo naman siya. Oh. Uy, anong
Slimy, kaka.
Oh, yan, guys. So, thank you so much for watching. And
So, guys, I wanna
please
tell my question first.
okay, what is the best part of your day today?
Ningaw. Cold.
Cold? That's the best part of your day. Why? Why are you cold?
Because they're splashing in the water farming out.
So that's the best part of your day? Splashing water?
No, Niga.
Cold.
Being cold.
Being cold, that's the best part of your day?
Yes.
Yeah, because you played a lot of
I want to tell
water.
my question first, okay, for you. You know, when I was in the motorbike, and I have the goggle, yung my
Water gun.
water lamp,
Water gun.
water gun, yung my goggle, like, I have that too. I wear it too. Guys, you know, after I wear the goggle, the kids tangle it and throw it in the road, and I don't have, and after that I just have the spray gun.
Gun.
When I was a baby, I have the goggle pa, so many years, but now I don't have because they throw in the pimay, and then I splash the water. I still have 2 goggles in my eyes. And I keeping splashing water on Tita, and then Mama, Papa, Mary, Papa, Mama, Mary. What?
The people also that are riding
Also,
motorbike, right?
people riding motorbike, people riding bike, people riding car, like that. I splash water,
And
but also people walking to the wall. Yeah, I splash water. I will talk about me, also my baby. I will talk about me when I was in my mama's tummy because
okay, stop na.
You don't know what happened to me in my mama's tummy when I was in mama's age, and I'm still in mama's tummy and mama's doll. After that, my mommy tummy get big like that. After we go to Bangkok and buy food, we eat food at home, and when I was in my mommy tummy, and I go to Bangkok in my mama tummy, and Papa drive motorbike Bangkok,
Kung ano na kinukwento mo.
and mama are helping me not to cry because, but when I'm in her tummy, mama always, when mama's tummy is big like that, mama walks like this, like that, and tumba like this. Like that, mama always
Now,
walk.
can we say goodnight to the guys now?
Guys,
Thank you so
good
much,
night,
guys.
Welcome to our next video. Bye.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to tap the notification bell so that you will be notified on our next video. Bye. Thank you so much, guys. Good night.